These days, it's important to be prepared for those once-in-a-decade events that seem to be happening more and more. At Portland General Electric, we encourage our customers to have a plan.
We operate the grid safely and reliably, and we work to minimize the impact of outages to our customers. PGE plans and prepares year-round, including things like training our crews on how to operate in cold, wintry conditions. We regularly inspect and maintain critical infrastructure like substations and power lines to make sure they're operating well. Depending on the weather forecast, we may pre-position crews and equipment to help reduce response times.
Having an emergency outage kit is just one way you can be prepared and ensure that your family is safe and comfortable in case of a power outage. Here are a few basic items to consider: flashlights, extra batteries, car chargers for your electronic devices, water for yourself and your pets, and a list of emergency contact information. You can find a more detailed list on portlandgeneral.com/beprepared.
At Portland General Electric, we encourage our customers to have a plan because winter weather events can cause outages, and if you're prepared, that might lessen the impact of an outage to you and your loved ones.
PGE may need to reach you during an outage situation. Having current contact information ensures that we can reach you if necessary.
If you see a down power line, make sure you stay away from it. Just because it's not sparking doesn't mean it's not dangerous. You should always stay 50 feet away from it, which is about the length of a city bus, and make sure you contact PGE so that we can come out and take care of it.
Sometimes we get calls from customers after an inclement weather event has ended. Folks wonder why their power hasn't been restored even though the weather is fine. This can be due to crews needing to take time to inspect the lines and make sure that they can safely and effectively restore your power.
If you have a medical device that requires electricity, call us. That way we can enroll you in our PGE Medical Certificate program. That way we'll know about your critical need, we'll be able to support you building a backup plan, and we'll be able to proactively reach out to you about outages.
Power outages may affect specific areas or even individual homes. If your neighbor has power but you do not, it's possible that your home is on different electrical equipment than theirs, such as feeder lines or transformers.
We operate our grid safely and reliably, but sometimes unexpected weather can still cause a power outage. That's why we ask our customers to always stay prepared by making sure their outage plan is up to date, they have an outage kit ready to go, and they're sharing their most recent contact information with PGE so we can contact you in case of an outage.